Have you ever needed help, but didn't know what to say? You froze. Your mind went blank. And the moment passed. What if I told you? In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact words native speakers use to ask for help politely, clearly, and with confidence. Hi, I'm Mila. Welcome to English with me. Today is day 3 of your English speaking challenge, and it's a big one. How to ask for help like a native. Because let's face it, life is full of problems. Your phone breaks. You get lost. You're confused at work. But when you can ask for help clearly in English, you feel powerful, not helpless. So stay with me. In this video, you'll learn 65 real-life phrases for everyday situations, shadowing practice with natural rhythm and tone, and 3 powerful conversations you can copy word for word. This is the English people actually speak. And when you can speak like this, you never feel stuck again. Let's begin. Today we're learning how to ask for help. Do you need help? Can't find something? But you don't know how to ask? Here's a story. You're at the grocery store. You can't find milk. You see a worker. You want to ask, but you freeze. Your mind goes blank. You walk around for 20 minutes instead of asking. Here's another story. Your car breaks down. You need help. People are walking by, but you don't know how to ask politely. You stand there feeling helpless. Or maybe you're at work. You don't understand something. Everyone looks busy. You're scared to ask for help, so you pretend you understand everything. This happens to English learners every day. You need help, but you can't ask properly. This makes simple things very difficult. But today, we will change this. This lesson will make you confident asking for help. Day 14 is about asking for help. Asking for help is not weakness. It's smart. It's how you solve problems faster. Today's lesson has 65 essential phrases for asking for help, real conversations in stores, at work, and with neighbors, how to be polite but direct when you need help. Practice for everyday situations. After this lesson, you can ask for help confidently anywhere. You'll never feel stuck or helpless again. Are you ready to become confident asking for help? Let's start now. 60 essential phrases for asking for help. Shadowing practice. 60 essential phrases might sound like a lot, but I've organized them perfectly. Save this video and use the chapters to jump to any section you need. How this works. I say each phrase 3 times. Normal speed. Slow and clear. Then normal speed again. Your job. Copy everything I say. My voice. My feeling. My rhythm. Don't just repeat "become me" for 20 seconds. This trains your mouth and your confidence together. Let's go. Getting someone's attention. Politely. These phrases get attention the right way. Excuse me? Can you help me? Sorry to bother you. Do you have a minute? Can I ask you something? I need some help. Please, could you help me with something? I'm sorry to interrupt. Do you work here? Can you point me in the right direction? I'm a little confused about something. Great work. These 10 phrases work everywhere stores. Work with strangers. Now let's learn shopping phrases. At stores and shopping, everything you need for shopping help. Where can I find the milk? Do you have this in a different size? Can you check if you have more in the back? Where's the customer service desk? How do I return this? Can someone help me carry this to my car? Is there a restroom I can use? What time do you close today? Do you take credit cards here? Can you show me where that is? Do you have this on sale? Can I get a rain check for this? Excellent. Store workers hear these questions all day long. They're trained to help you. Let's learn direction phrases next. Getting directions. For when you're lost or need to find places. How do I get to Main Street? Which way is the hospital? Can you tell me how to get there? Is it far from here? Should I drive or walk? Can you write down the address? Is there a bus that goes there? How long does it take to get there? 31. Can you show me on the map? 32. I'm looking for the nearest bank. 33. Am I going the right way? 34. What's the best route to take? Perfect. You'll never be lost again. Now let's practice work phrases. These will boost your career. At work, professional help. These phrases make you look professional and eager to learn. Could you help me understand this? Do you have time to show me how? Can you walk me through this process? I'm not sure how to do this part. Could you check my work? Who should I talk to about this? Can you explain this again? What's the best way to handle this? Do you mind if I ask you a quick question? Can you give me some advice? Is this the right approach? Could you review this before I send it? Outstanding. American managers love employees who ask questions. It shows you care about quality work. Let's move to the next part. Technology problems, we all face them and you need the right words to get help fast. Technology problems. When technology doesn't work properly. My phone isn't working right. Can you help me fix this? I don't know how to use this app. My computer is running very slowly. I can't connect to the internet. Can you show me how to do this online? I forgot my password. This isn't working the way it should. Can someone from tech support help me? Nice work. Technology problems happen to everyone, even Americans. These phrases get you tech help fast. Now, let's finish strong with something very important. Emergency situations. Situations where you need help right away. Let's learn how to stay calm and speak clearly when things go wrong. Are you ready? Let's keep going. Emergency situations. When you really need immediate help. I need help right now. This is an emergency. Can someone call 911? I'm locked out of my house. My car won't start. Can you call a tow truck for me? I lost my keys. Can you help me find my phone? I don't have anyone else to call. Thank you so much for helping me. Amazing. You did it. You now know 65 essential phrases for asking for help in any situation, from simple shopping questions to work problems to real emergencies. You're prepared for everything. Remember this. Asking for help is smart, and it's completely normal. Americans help each other every day. And now, you can do the same in clear, confident English. Now you're ready for the next level. Let's practice real conversations. Real-life scenarios. We have 3 important scenarios today. Each one trains you differently. Scenario 1. Mark will help us practice. You listen and shadow both voices. You can also mute the sound and shadow along. Whatever works best for you. Scenarios 2 and 3 are magic. I know some of you feel shy and don't practice out loud, but this is the most practical training you can do. You need to eliminate your fear of speaking right now. When I pause, read the response out loud, clearly, with emotion. You can also hit pause yourself to make the silence longer. If you can't overcome this fear here, you'll freeze up in real situations. Ready? Scenario 1. At Target, can't find something. Excuse me, do you work here? Yes, I do. How can I help you? I'm looking for laundry detergent. Can you show me where that is? Of course. It's in aisle 12, near the back of the store. Follow me. I'll show you. Thank you so much. I've been walking around for 10 minutes. No problem at all. That happens to everyone. Do you have this in the big size? Let me check for you. Yes. Here's the family size. Perfect. One more question. Where can I find batteries? Batteries are up front near the registers. Or we have more selection in electronics aisle 3. Great. Thank you for all your help. You're welcome. Have a great day. Beautiful. Notice how friendly and helpful the employee was. This is typical in American stores. The key is being polite and direct. Now let's move to the workplace scenario. This one requires even more confidence. You're not just asking for help. You're showing you care about doing your job well. Scenario 2. At work, need help with a project. This is where the magic happens. When I pause, you speak the employee's lines out loud. Don't be shy. This is practice for your real career. Hi, Michael. Do you have a minute? Sure. What's up? I'm working on the monthly report, and I'm not sure how to format the charts. Could you help me? Of course. I did that last month. Let me show you the easiest way. That would be amazing. I've been stuck on this for an hour. No worries. First, select your data. Then go to Insert, then Chart. Oh, I see. That's much easier than I thought. Exactly. And use the company colors. They're in the shared folder. Perfect. Can you check my work when I'm done? Sure. Just send it to me before 3 p.m. Thank you so much. Michael, you saved me. Happy to help. We all need help sometimes. Excellent. See how asking for help at work actually builds relationships. Americans respect colleagues who ask questions because it shows you want to do quality work. Now the final scenario, emergency help. This is the most important one. Scenario 3, car problem, need roadside help. Final magic practice. This is an emergency. You need to sound urgent but polite. I'll give you the exact words to say when I pause. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but I really need help. What's wrong? My car won't start. I'm not sure what to do. Oh no. Do you have jumper cables? I don't think so. Should I call someone? I have cables in my truck. Let me try to jump your battery. Really? That would be so helpful. I don't know anything about cars. No problem. This happens all the time. Let me get my truck. Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Don't mention it. We all help each other. Is there anything I can do to help? Just stay back and let me handle this. I really appreciate this. That's what neighbors are for. Amazing. You just mastered 3 essential scenarios for asking for help. Shopping help, workplace assistance, and emergency situations. These conversations happen every day, and now you're ready for all of them. Most people are very helpful when you ask politely and clearly. Don't be afraid to ask, it's completely normal. Now let's learn the cultural secrets that will make you even more successful when asking for help anywhere in the world. Always start with, excuse me or sorry to bother you. This shows respect for the other person's time. People appreciate direct and clear questions. Don't beat around the bush. Be specific about what you need. It's okay to ask store employees for help. That's what they're there for. Don't feel guilty or shy. At work, asking for help shows you care about doing things the right way. Managers respect people who ask when they're unsure. When talking to strangers, keep your requests simple and polite. Don't ask for something too big. Make it easy for them to say yes. Always say thank you. Gratitude is essential in any culture. It builds trust and shows character. Most people are happy to help if they can. Helping others makes us feel good. And it makes the world just a little better. And most importantly, don't be afraid to leave a comment under any video. If there's something you don't understand, I'm always here to support you. You're not bothering me. You're showing me that you're serious about learning. And helping you is my greatest joy. You've got this. Just remember to be polite, be clear, and speak with confidence. When you do that, you'll never feel stuck or helpless again. So let's lock in the most useful phrases. Your power phrases to remember. Excuse me, can you help me? Do you have a minute? I'm not sure how to. Could you show me where? Thank you so much for your help. Quick success tips. Smile when you ask. It makes people want to help. Make eye contact. Shows confidence and respect. Speak clearly. Don't rush your words. Be patient. Give people time to help. Follow up with thanks. People remember grateful people. Wonderful. You've just learned something incredibly valuable. How to get help confidently in English. This isn't just about language. This is about solving problems quickly, getting things done efficiently, and connecting with people in your community. When you can ask for help confidently, life in any country becomes so much easier. You'll save time, reduce stress, and build relationships with people around you. Here's your homework. This week, practice asking for help 3 times. Ask where something is in a store. Ask a coworker a simple question. Ask a neighbor for directions or advice. Each time you ask, you build confidence. Each time you get help, you prove to yourself that people are friendly and want to help you succeed. You made it. Today, you didn't just learn English. You took one step closer to the confident speaker you're becoming. Remember, asking for help isn't weakness. It's how we grow. So be proud of yourself. You're doing something powerful. If today's lesson helped you, I hope you'll like this video. and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another chance to improve. Let's keep learning, growing, and building the life you want together. This is Mila from English with Me, and I'll see you next time.